everyone, this is Karen and welcome to Tried and Tested. I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell below so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So today I have the July Fab Bag with me and I am going to talk about the products that I received this month. So in case you're interested to know what all I received, then please keep on watching. Before I start talking about the products that I received, here's what the bag looks like this month. And the theme is the glimpse and glamour. Now, one thing I have to mention is whatever bags or pouches I have received so far are of pretty decent quality. Like, I really thought that the quality of bags would be pretty substandard, but I'm very pleased with whatever I've received so far. And out of the three, this one has got to be my favorite. So the other two bags that I got, I have given one to my mom and the other one to my grandmom, and this I'm going to keep for myself. So the first product in here is this lip balm by Chronocare. It's called Chronolip Ceramide Enriched Lip Balm, and this is priced at rupees 249. So I got this in my May Quarantessential bag, and I currently use it every night before I hit the bed. It definitely does nourish and hydrate the lips, but it's not something that I wanted again in the bag. I mean, I was not crazy about it. So this one is gonna go to my mom. I would be really happy if I to receive the aloe vera gel again, because that is one product that I really love. Like, I'm very disappointed that it is coming to an end. So yeah, if that comes again in the bag, I would be very happy. So another product that's going to go to my mom is this Sirona Gold Handmade Bath Soap, and this one is priced at rupees 190. Well, here is what it looks like. I'm not sure if it's getting captured properly on camera, but it doesn't have any scent to it yet. Maybe once I remove it from the plastic and start using it, maybe I would be able to smell something then. But this soap claims to have ingredients like gold ore. Now, gold ore is said to brighten complexion, prevent premature aging, even out the skin tone, treat sun damage, enhance elasticity of skin and treat allergies, and it also has essential oils which balances hormones, boosts the immunity and fight infection. This soap also claims to be free of any parabens and preservatives and is 100% made of vegetable oil. So the soap seems pretty promising, but we are left to try this out and see if it holds true to what it claims. The next item is a skincare item, and it's this avocado nourishing and tendering facial mask by Monsa. Now this is priced at 250, and the product claims to make the skin soft, clear, fresh, and reveal hydrating, shining skin. Okay, so once I'm done with this video, I'll probably try this mask out and I will insert it in the next clip. Also, I'll let you know what are my thoughts on this face mask. I applied the face mask off camera because I thought it was going to create a mess, and I kept it on for 15 odd minutes and then took it off. And here's what my face looks like right now. It has definitely nourished and moisturized the skin, and it has also left a lovely glow. My face feels a bit tacky though, but it's not something that's unbearable. You know, there are some face masks that leave your skin feeling super oily, but it's certainly not the case with this face mask. Now, I also received this eyeliner by Sugar, and it is called the Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner, and it is priced at rupees 499. So I've currently applied this on my lids. I don't know if it's prominent on camera. So I like the felt tip. I think it makes the application really easy, and usually with other eyeliners I struggle to get a wing, but with this it was pretty hassle free. I got another eye makeup, and this one once again is by Sugar. It's called the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara, and it's priced at rupees 299. Once again, I've used this right now and I'm not sure if it's getting captured properly on camera, but I have got to say that this mascara so far has got to be my favorite mascara. It does a very fine job in lengthening and curling your lashes as well as giving it that volume. So once this gets over, if I don't receive it at another fab bag, then I may consider purchasing this mascara again. So the last item that I got in here, and I'm pretty sure everybody has got it, is something that is very essential and relevant in today's time, and it's once again by Sugar. Another facial mask, but this time it's this mask. I think for me this is going to be my star product in this month's bag, because even though I have masks at home, it's the surgical mask, and I always wanted something like this, but I never bothered to buy it. So I'm happy to have received it. It's a little tight for me. As you can see, it's a bit tight for me, but yeah, it's fine. I mean, I will make use of it. Oh, and by the way, this is priced at rupees 99. So if I calculate all the products that I received, then my total comes to 1,582, which is quite a lot for the amount that I paid. I just paid 579, and I'm pretty happy with whatever I received this time. And yeah, that completes this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. So if you've got your fab bag for this month, let me know what all you received down in the description box below and whether you liked it or whether you did not. Also, if you've liked this video, please hit that like button and share this video and other videos across with your friends and family. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video.